Today we're featuring a Stardust necklace. First, you're going to start off by adding your beads to your eye pin. This is going to create a beaded connector. These Stardust beads are really fun. They give the necklace a little bit more sparkle, and the rose gold with the silver is very complementary. I'm applying the beads on from the smallest to the largest in the center, and then I'm going to ascend back down to the smallest size. The scale of the beads also gives a nice elegant touch. Once you've applied all your beads on, you're going to go ahead and use your round nose pliers to create a closure. This is essentially going to attach to your jump ring, which then will go to your necklace. Now we're going to get another jump ring. We're going to use our pliers to open them, and we're going to put jump rings on both sides. This is going to allow the bead connector to connect to the chains. We're doing the same thing, as you can see, on both sides. This creates a beaded connector. Now that we've got our connector done, we can go ahead and add the clasp closure. A clasp closure is really nice when you have a link chain because it allows for a different variety of long or short necklace depending on what you're wearing and how you're styling your piece. We're simply closing the closure on the jump ring to secure the two pieces together. Now we have our clasp attached to our chain. We're going to use another jump ring. This portion we're going to attach on the opposite chain. This will be the jump ring that your clasp connects to. Now's the fun part. We get to connect the beaded connector. Using a jump ring, we're going to attach the beaded connector. You repeat the same step on both sides. Side one done. And we'll go ahead and repeat that on the opposite side. Now you have a completed Stardust necklace.